The window writes its story with the rain across the glass, each drop a quiet heartbeat, letting all the moments pass. The candle flickers slowly, painting shadows on the wall, and every little sparkle seems to whisper through it all. Candlelight rain, hold the night a little longer, soft and slow like a secret only love could make stronger. If the night will fade away with the morning that remains, let the candle keep on burning in the whisper of the rain. The world outside is sleeping while the thunder hums its tune, and I can feel your memory like the silver of the moon. The night becomes a doorway to the places we once knew, and every gentle rainfall brings me closer back to you. Candlelight rain, hold the night a little longer, soft and slow like a secret only love could make stronger. If the night will fade away with the morning that remains, let the candle keep on burning in the whisper of the rain. So let the night keep dreaming in the glow of candle flame, and let tomorrow's sunrise never take this night.